This is what I'm excited about. I'm excited for you to see a master, a guy that's obsessed with teaching the artistry through chiropractic. I want to bring to Northern Virginia, Dr. Dyllon Mawn.
Good to be here. I've been teaching chiropractic since I got out of school. Really got into leading clubs and stuff while I was in school, like you said, with KTC. Essentially, what I want to get for you guys this weekend is the ability to get out of your head and into your hands. There's a couple principles that we're going to build upon, but this is all philosophically sound chiropractic artistry. That's like the way that I work. This weekend, I'm going to challenge you guys to really stop thinking about what you're trying to do and learn how to feel what the person on the table's body is calling for. And so the biggest challenge for you guys this weekend is going to be to jump into my sandbox and play with me and to let yourself do things differently. All day long, I'm having people get off the table and say, wow, what was that? Holy shit, that was different. I mean, they're swearing in my practice all the time. And what that means for me is that I just delivered an adjustment that has caused that conscious person to consciously say, wow. So docs that have been in this for a while, how many times have you heard someone say, I don't know, I just started going to chiropractor and everything changed? And the more that you can change their brain, the more that you will change them. And when you help someone heal, this is where we get more into the philosophy, it's not just feeling better. You guys have all seen those people that come into your office and when they start healing, like they change. Their vibe is different, the questions they're asking are different, the things they're telling you that they're doing are different, just their whole energy is different. Sometimes their hobbies change, sometimes their style changes, they change. Why? Because trauma, disease, sickness is a person that is stuck in a pattern. Chiropractic breaks patterns, and we break it at the core of where that person is perceiving their life, their nervous system. Change the brain, change the life.
Never, ever, ever I've heard a company this big investing so much on doctors because they're always about business. But Dr. Phil and Phoebe always know that the business model of RxWellness is coming from the quality care of the doctors. So that's why it's so appreciative having these doctors also from 1 month doctor to 25 years of doctors coming together, gathering ideas again, and practicing and spending time to share. This is actually kind of like a small community of chiropractic together.
This has been an amazing team building experience. We're learning so much here and getting to know each other better as well, and we love it. Dr. Phil has been a great leader through all of this. He really promotes the team building and really wants us to become our best and really supports that in us. And I think that is what really makes him a great leader. No, Dylan, the instructor, has been really great. A lot of hands-on. The way he describes things and shows us things really helps bring a lot of clarity to what we're doing and, more importantly, why we're doing it.
My favorite thing about the event today is learning the new shoulder adjustment, great camaraderie with my coworkers, and learning some new tricks of the trade. Yeah, culture of RxWellness is really great. Multiple times a year we do trainings like this, whether that be MLS or it's good to all come together and learn new things.
There's nothing better than getting with your people that you know and tuning up your skills and make sure that you're giving your people the best care possible, because there's always other things that we can learn. This makes it a lot easier for everybody.